Fasting is more than just not eating. The 15th fast of Ramzan reminder us real patience is staying calm when you are hungry. Real faith is trusting Allah in hard times. And real gratitude is saying Alhamdulillah for every blessing you have. If you learned patience and gratitude this Ramzan, then your fasting is success. May Allah accept your fast. Ameen.